In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and play the new Crimson Desert. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So this is very easy. Firstly, you will need to have Steam installed. If you don't have it yet, it will only take a few seconds. And once you are here at the Steam launcher, you just need to search for Crimson Desert. We can find it right here. And now just scroll down and you should find the option to add the game to your card. So if you click here, then go to view my card. And lastly, continue to payment. And now you just need to select your payment method right here. You can use PayPal, your credit card. You can also use your Steam wallet balance in case you have any. And then just continue and complete the payment. Once you have done that, you need to go to your library at the top. And then just search for the game right here, Crimson Desert. We should find it here and we can install the game by clicking here. So after this, just select the drive where you want to install this game and click install. Now we should find this progress bar at the bottom, and if you click there, you will find all the information of the download and the estimated time remaining as well. So that's it. That's how you can download and play Crimson Desert. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.